After the hurricane hit, we were without power for almost 48 hours, which honestly was shorter than most people. So anyways, because of that, our freezer needed to be restocked. Everything went bad. And so we went to Target and we went to Costco. We have 3 little ones under 3, so we needed a lot of food. We spent about $200 at Costco, got a hot dog, and then we spent about $150 at Target. So we spent $350 to restock the fridge, which was pretty expensive and something I was not expecting to spend that much money on.